If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Skrill, follow these simple steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. This guide will help you navigate through the cancellation process effectively. Step 1. Log into your Skrill account. Start by visiting the Skrill website or opening the mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the Activity section. Once logged in, locate the Activity tab on the main menu. This section displays all your recent transactions, including pending transfers. Step 3. Find the pending transfer. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Select the transfer and choose Cancel. Click on the pending transfer to view its details. If the option to cancel is available, you will see a Cancel button. Click on it to initiate the cancellation process. Step 5. Confirm the cancellation. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to cancel the transfer. Review the details and confirm your choice to complete the cancellation. By following these steps, you can successfully cancel a pending transfer on Skrill. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Skrill's customer support for further assistance.